In the realm of information technology, OTV or Overlay Transport Virtualization plays a key role. Picture an invisible bridge connecting networks across locations. That's OTV, a Cisco innovation, simplifying data center interconnection. Imagine routers, switches, firewalls, load balancers, all integral parts of a network. OTV is the invisible hand that connects them across geographical boundaries, making data exchange seamless. It's the hero that eliminates the need for multiple protocols, providing a streamlined, efficient solution. Remember, OTV is more than a tool. It's a game changer, redefining how we connect and communicate in the digital age. It's the unsung hero of the IT world, quietly making our lives easier, one data packet at a time. For more such nuggets of knowledge, visit batanetworks.com. Empower yourself with the right information, because in this digital era, knowledge is power.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.